So, shout out, like, share, and subscribe this video. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit boss lalaki ako ngayon? Surprise, i-reveal ko mamaya. And then, sasabihin ko kung ano yung ginagamit kong sabon. Or andito ba kayo para sa mga ginagamit kong sabon? This is the part 2 of the video and watch 2 to 3 minutes at i-reveal ko yung ginagamit kong sabon. So, andito na naman tayo, no? Before that, magkwentuhan muna tayo. Eto na nga, so, naliligo na naman ako. Then,
so, dito tayo ngayon kay studio, no? So, siya yung intro natin. I will be honored to. Dula, shout out asawa, shout out mo yung Brazil, Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines, tapos Brazil na ano natin, fans natin. And kunin mo yung data sa ano yun, tawag dun, na mga kuha nila. Good. Sabtan mo? Sige.
Our viewers, Sawabuna! Big warm greetings to everyone from the Philippines, Brazil, Thailand, and Indonesia. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and sharing our videos. Your support is what keeps us growing strong here in Breakthrough Phase. Please subscribe now and hit that bell. Be part of our fast-growing family. Don't miss our next uploads, skincare hacks, and fun moments. We are rushing to hit our milestones, and you are helping us get there faster. Short version ready for community post or overlay text.
Lab, gusto lang malaman ko ng verdict ng sabon. Nung ano ba, nung Perla tsaka Keratin, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung tawag nun sa kanila? Educate mo nga yung mga viewers natin, yung mga subscribers natin. Encourage them to subscribe, para sa 500 milestone natin.
Shout out plus full verdict. Sawabuna! Big love to every single one of you in the Philippines, Brazil, Thailand, and Indonesia. Thank you for sticking around, commenting, and sharing. Please subscribe and turn on that bell. You're the heartbeat of this channel, and every new sub pushes us closer to our goals. Final verdict, Perla plus Keratin. Result, highly recommended. Winning combo, Perla soap. Mild, gentle formula, perfect for our hot, humid weather. Doesn't strip natural oils or dry skin out. Safe for daily use. Affordable, widely available. Great base cleanser. Prep skin so next products work better. Keratin treatment. Repairs, softens, strengthens. Fixes dryness and damage from sun, sweat, and pollution. Key rule, apply while skin is still damp. Locks moisture deep. This is the step most people rush or skip. Together, cleanses plus repairs plus protects smoother, softer, clearer skin with consistent use. Simple, budget-friendly, and proven effective. Ideal for your routine. Bottom line, keep using it. It works wonders if you do it right and don't skip steps.
Babe, magtagalog ka, tsaka viral tayo. Part 8, ano nang gagawin natin? Wala tayong ibang gawa. Anong kasunod nito? Magtagalog ka.
Viral na tayo! Pagkatapos ng part 8, part siyam agad. Mas masaya, mas marami pang sikreto at gulat. Abangan nyo!